Hello, welcome to English class. In this lecture, I'll teach you how to use these prepositions. These are basically related to places. For example, show your position to be somewhere. For example, if I say, where are you at the moment? And you say, I am in my room, in the room. So, in shows position to be somewhere. For example, the cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. So you can make simple sentences. The boy is in the ground. The book is in the bag. The phone is in my pocket. Look at the second picture. Own. Own means own something. For example, the book is on the table. Right now it is touching the table, and you can say it is on the table. And you see here, the bird is not touching the box. That is above, a bit high, above the box. So here is the difference between on and above. Look at the fourth preposition, under. Under means something down, maybe something below. For example, this lady, this girl is sitting under the table. Okay, sometimes you say inside the table. When something is closed, you say it is inside it. But here you can say it is under the table. The table is big and the girl is under it, under the table. Okay, the girl is under the table. Use simple structure is, am, are, and then a prepositional phrase. For example, under the table, this is a prepositional phrase. And this is between. Betweens mean in the mid of two things. For example, I make a comparison between you and your brother. I say, this is the difference between you and your brother. That is between. And that is behind. Behind means maybe the other side of the box. You can say the other side of the box. Sometimes you say opposite, sometimes you use different prepositions. But here it is very clear to understand the box is here and the mice is on the other side of the box. And the opposite here, if you say the parrot is standing opposite to this crow and this crow is standing opposite to parrot, so both are opposite to each other, so that is opposite. Okay, in contrast. And here in front of something is standing just in front of something. For example, the right now you see that the bicycle is in front of the house and the house is in front of the bicycle. Sometimes you call your friends and you say, hello, I'm standing in front of a bank, or I am standing in front of a bookshop, I am standing in front of a coffee shop. So I'm waiting for you in front of something. Write down one example in the comment box and find out your sentence, whether it is correct or not. I'll try to check your comments. Thank you. Take care. Bye.